Hi everyone. So today we have received this C-Class for the engine mount work. So this car had come to us with a vibration noise from front, and also there was a brake sign which had come on the dashboard. So the work that we had done, we had replaced the engine mount and the gear mount, which was causing the vibration in the car, which is now completely sorted. After that, there was a brake work also involved, for which we had done front and rear brake disc, brake pads and the brake sensors. So once this job is done, we have thoroughly cleaned the car from inside outside, and the entire water service was also done. You can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai and we specialize in premium car maintenance. Thank you guys.